Welcome to another episode of What the Fuck Did I Get Myself Into? Well, it's about 5:45 in the morning. I woke up at 3, got on the road at 3:30. We're on our way to King of the Hammers. Johnson Valley, Landers, the cabin. You know the deal. Toughest place on earth. Carter's behind me. We're loaded up, ready to go. Super excited. Another week at King of the Hammers. We haven't been to the event in a long time. Couple years, so we'll see you guys out there. We're in Tehachapi. Probably one of my favorite places to drive through. It's absolutely gorgeous, especially in the wintertime when it's green. I just love it. It's about 9:30. Our next stop is Barstow, where we're going to do a little bit of last minute shopping for the cabin, and then we're slated to get there probably around 12:30, which is actually a really great time. So we'll see you there. One of our scheduled pit stops. Carter's always fussing about his truck. Couldn't find the right oil. You look like you're a hot rod builder from Discovery Channel. Carter, tell the boys where we are, what we're doing.
I believe we're in Barstow. Beautiful little area. Stopped at Beach close to Lux, Home Depot. I think neither one of us have ever been. Oh, fuck, that's me.
You're that asshole, huh? Somebody's sleeping right there. What do you got there, bud?
You got some ribs, buddy. Some beef ribs from my beef boys.
Well, we made it, boys. Johnson Valley, King of the Hammers. Let's see if you can see right there. Right there, that's the lake bed. About 6 miles away. Just pulling up to the cabin. Getting her all unlocked. You ready? Gotta pack a lip.
That chops, huh?
But it's boys week.
You remember that? Remember that one?
I'm mouth to mouth, man. I'm out. You had to
I
go.
hope I have the keys, Sam.
You had to go and kick it up a notch and bring Viagra.
Oh, brother, it's just for circulation reasons at high altitude.
Yeah. All right, we're going in.
No, not yet.
We haven't been here in a year or more. Did we go last year?
Oh shit! I hear water running in here. Oh, just the sink. Full glass. That makes sense.
Oh, did you just turn the water on?
Yeah. Oh, let's get the rattlesnakes out of here.
Man, it looks good.
It does look good. Barbecue.
Barbecue. That's that. Man, this place looks great.
It does. They left it really nice this time.
We did all this. What do you call that? Paper on the walls.
Artwork.
We got artwork. We got these shades up. We got blinds up. We got this junkyard table here. I don't know where that came from. Put some shelves up here. Man, This is it, huh?
Yep.
This place looks fantastic. I can't believe it.
I know it. Me neither.
Every time we've come here, it's been like thrashed. Like,
well, not thrashed, but like dusty, you know?
It looks like the inside floor looks like the outside floor. But we spent a lot of time last time we were here cleaning this place up, doing the walls nice. This place isn't inspected, so there's some insulation, but there's no real sheetrock on the exterior walls. So we just covered it up with this stuff and put some artwork on the walls, put some shelves up, put some blinds up, table, put some shelves up here.
Let's open up these blinds.
Made this place real nice.
Still got that little tight.
Carter made these crazy little strings here with a little nail system up there. Oh!
Breaking that expensive.
Santana. Sorry, Santana. Go grab that other side. Let's give this thing a whirl. Look at that! Look at that!
Whoa!
And there's my axle shaft. Oh, look at it.
You're too stupid to install it.
Well, didn't you put nails? Oh, you did put nails here. Tie this bad boy. Oh, fuck!
Hammering the shit out of it.
Now that thing's fired up, I can get the vacuuming. You want to tell them what happened?
Yeah. Probably some bad barbecue.
Maybe a bad beef rib?
Yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah. We'll blame it on the beef rib. Well, boys, we made it to King of the Hammers. I don't know if you can tell, but this is it. This is what everybody has to look forward to. There's people camping right there. Oh, the dust is clearing now. We decided to give up on the ram board and see what's going on in Chocolate Thunder.
That's what we came to do. That's what I came to do.
I had to give Carter an EpiPen just to get up, but we're gonna go check out some carnage. Oh Jesus. Chocolate Thunder. If you're seeing a haze, it's not my camera. That's just the dust from the lake bed. Taking years off your life. Oh, brother. This place is packed. What do you think, bud?
That's great.
This is what it's all about, huh?